Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing about our experience going to the Sundance Mountain Resort and doing the zip lining tour there.
So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
If you didn't know, the Sundance Mountain Resort is about a 1-hour drive from Park City, and there you'll find hiking, biking, a gift shop, a restaurant, and more. Even though we were there in the fall, we took the Summer ZipTour, which includes 4 spans, although one of them is the demo span. In total, it's about 2 miles of zipping and 2,100 feet of vertical drop. That's the most of any zip line tour in the US. Now, in order to reach the summit, you have to take 3 separate lifts. One of them is about a 45-degree angle drop, which made Toni-Joy a little bit nervous. But all around you, you see the beautiful mountain scenery. So it's pretty serene, actually. And as you're nearing the top, if you look to your left, you'll see the first row span, which is the Bishop Span. So we look to our left and we see people zipping right across that with the mountains in the backdrop. And it looks really high up. It actually made Toni-Joy even more nervous. But don't worry, she got through it just fine and had a great time. Now, like I mentioned before, the first span is the demo span. So basically this is for beginners, just to get up onto the line in your harness. And more importantly, they're gonna go over how to brake properly. So after the demo span, first up is Bishop Span.
Okay, on go. 1, 2, 3. I just wanna feel like when we were young, when we didn't need photographs and nostalgia to bring us back home. Way back, rewind, let it be. Way back, rewind, let it be.
So after that first span, I think you lose the jitters and you can enjoy more of the others that are to come. You can also figure out how to brake properly and how to maneuver as you're going through the air. Next up is the Flathead Span.
Get set, go, have fun.
Focus too much on making sure I beat you this time.
Well, did you beat him?
Yes.
Was it?
Well,
It was physics.
What do you mean it's physics?
So it's actually not. It's a function of finding a sweet spot, riding properly, preventing spin.
You telling him that it's not because they weigh more than he does.
I mean, there's like Julia usually beats me. I weigh more than Julia. There's another girl, Brooklyn. She used to work here. She would always beat me.
Now they say you'll reach speeds of about 65 miles per hour on these lines, but one of the guides actually told us that when they do it, they can get much faster. The final span is the Outlaw Span. It is really long.
So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
So that's it. Was it worth it? I'd say definitely. If you've never gone ziplining before, maybe this isn't the one to start with because the heights are so high. And if you've gone before, I think you'll enjoy this a lot. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give us a like. Thanks for watching.